Welcome to the Secret Code Podcast tutorial on setting up and using a Keplr wallet. In this video, we're going to download the Keplr Chrome extension, create a new wallet, write down and take care of your mnemonic seed, and then we'll go ahead and start using it in some of the basic applications on-chain. So I'm typing in Chrome extensions to Google, and this top link, Chrome Web Store, is what we're looking for. In the search bar, we're going to type in Keplr. It is this top link. You can identify it with a purple gradient box with a white K, and we're going to add it to Chrome. It's going to show up here in the top right-hand corner. And now when I click this X, it's going to go away. And you can access this and the rest of your extensions by clicking this puzzle piece. But I actually recommend clicking the little pin over here, and that will keep the purple box and your Keplr wallet always accessible whenever you're on Chrome without having to click the puzzle. So now I have three options after clicking that purple K. I can create a new account, I can import an existing seed phrase for a different wallet I've set up before, or I can import Ledger. I highly recommend purchasing a Ledger, but for these intents and purposes, we're just going to create a new account here. Now it gives me a 12-word mnemonic phrase, which is incredibly important. Do save it, do not share it, do not lose it. But I'll talk about more of that soon. Right now, we just need to make sure we have this saved. I'm not blurring this out, which means I do not plan on using this wallet because I'm giving all of you access to it. So I'm just going to put it in a Word document instead of writing it down by hand. But now we set up an account name. I'll call it tutorial and set up a password. And I'm going to have to verify that I did save that seed phrase. So I'm going to keep pulling it up and remember 4 words at a time. But they do want to make sure that we did actually write down that seed phrase, and putting these words in order prove that we did record it somewhere. All right, and now I have registered this wallet. So your mnemonic phrase is access to your wallet. If somebody pretending to me comes up to you on Telegram or Discord and is like, hey, I need your mnemonic phrase to connect your wallet, don't give it. It is a scam. It is giving all of your money away. Never even type it into your computer. Now that we've gotten that away, so do save it, don't share it, don't give it to anybody, absolutely ever. To interact with your Keplr, we can deposit and send tokens, we can stake coins and earn interest, claim rewards, and even vote on governance proposals. So let's try some of these. Here in this top right-hand corner, I'm opening up my K. It defaults to Cosmos, which is the ATOM token, but the Keplr wallet supports a lot of different chains on the Cosmos ecosystem. So here in Secret Network, bottom left, you can click deposit. It'll give you a QR code, or you can just click the link under the account name and it'll automatically copy your address to clipboard, because we always recommend when sending crypto to copy and paste. Now to see the full screen version, we're going to go to wallet.keplr.app/#/dashboard, or click the link here in the episode description. And if you use Keplr, I recommend bookmarking it. Now this will be a full screen version that will show your entire staking portfolios on multiple chains, as well as let you do some basic interactions on chain, such as here in Secret Network Governance, we can vote on the active proposal and see the history of all the previous proposals. And stake, you can scroll down, choose a validator. If you support what we're doing with the Secret Code Podcast node, we would greatly appreciate your delegation, as this is our primary funding model. But you can click manage, you can delegate. Do not actually delegate max. Always leave some secret or other tokens available for gas fees to claim your rewards. Because if you have 100 secret, you delegate 100 secret, you'll still need 0.1 to claim your rewards. So now, if you've used MetaMask or something, you may be familiar with tokens on the network. I have now sent myself 1 secret so we can create a token. You guys can kind of see how that looks. So I'm back here on the dashboard. And on my 3-part series, there's stake, governance, secret. Now that I have 1 secret, I could delegate it, or I could go down here to secret SCRT. And this is a way on the Keplr dashboard to go ahead and wrap your tokens. So I have to start by making a viewing key, which is auto-prompted for me. And that's because the tokens on Secret Network are private, and you actually have to code in the ability to see your own balances. So we approved that gas fee and we created a viewing key, and now we see that we have 0 secret. So I'm going to go ahead and convert half of a secret over to secret. Again, this is on-chain. It will cost gas, but now secret SCRT is actually the private version, which we could send privately. So now here in my wallet, my balance shows lower. It only shows the SCRT version, but I scroll down and I can see the token where I have 0.5 S SCRT. And if I click that, I can send it privately. You can even set up an address book for your friends where you can just click them in by name instead of constantly copying and pasting their address. And Yeah, it honestly works seamlessly. So now I'll convert it back, the 0.5 to regular SCRT, the public chain, which we can use for governance and staking and whatever else. So some final notes: you will have to connect your Keplr address to different websites that are using these. Only connect it to ones that you trust. Right now, Keplr does have a mobile app on your phone, but they do not yet have integration on the mobile app for all of the chains that they support on their Chrome extension. And in general, for the time being, I recommend doing most of your crypto stuff on the computer instead of on mobile. And as I mentioned earlier, always leave some tokens left over for gas fees. It gets really difficult when you have to keep asking people to borrow money or keep moving between different accounts so that you can cover gas. Thanks for watching the Secret Code Podcast tutorial on setting up and using your Keplr wallet. As always, we're looking to make content that will make you, the community, more comfortable using and learning about Secret Network. So please, in the comments, let us know what kind of tutorials or guests for our show would best help you guys to learn and inspire you to help use and create more content for Secret Network. Your input becomes our output.
For the community, by the community.